Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern CBD logo. Make sure watch to until the end of the video. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the star tool. Click. And take 3 points from here. Click OK. Now, press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. After that, select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and remove these parts. Hold Alt and make some longer. Perfect. Now go to the Line Segment tool. Draw a line center of this shape. Again, draw a line from here to here. One more from here. Do this in the same way. After that, select all. And go to the Pathfinder and divide. Now right-click on the mouse and ungroup. Now we need to color this shape. OK. Select this. With the eyedropper tool, select this color. Select this and press I on the eyedropper tool, and select this color. Select this and this color. Do this in the same way. Perfect. Now select all, and press Ctrl+G to the group. After that, select the Line Segment tool. And draw a line from this to this anchor point. And go to the stroke panel, and increase the stroke thickness to around 7 point. OK, now select this, and go to the object. Expand, and click OK. And intersect here. After that, select this. And go to the Transform, Reflect, and Copy. Hold Shift and place it here. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now rotate it. And intersect with this shape. Hold Shift and make some smaller. Now go to the Transform, Reflect, and Copy. And place it here. After that, select this and drag it down. and intersect with this shape. Again, transform, reflect, and copy. And place it here. Select these extra parts and press delete. OK, now select this and copy. After that, rotate. And intersect with this shape. And make some smaller. Again, transform, reflect, and copy. And place it here. Now select these two shapes and delete. Now select the ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift and create a circle. Now select the star tool and make a triangle. Now select all and go to the Pathfinder and Compound. Now select the Direct Selection tool. Select this anchor point and delete it from here. Select this and delete. Now with the Line Segment tool, draw a line to this anchor point. Select all. And divide. Right-click, and ungroup. After that, select all, and place it like this. Hold Shift and make small. OK, now select this, with the eyedropper tool, and take this color. Select this, and take this color. Now select this. Hold Alt and copy. Place it like this. And make small. Go to the Transform, Reflect, and copy. And place it on this side. Again, hold Alt and copy. And do this in the same way. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.